Hey guys, it's Kim of Jolie Noire. Today, I'm going to be showing you all how I prep and apply press-on nails. On Jolie Noire's channel, we share content based on our lifestyle, beauty, and our leisure wear brand, Jolie Noire. Jolie Noire means pretty black. If you're interested in content like that, please click the subscribe button and notification bell so you'll never miss a video. Now, let's get into it. So I'm starting off with a buffer block that's optional, the Kiss Burgundy medium nails, a fingernail clipper, cotton pads, and alcohol, and then an emery board. So first what you want to do is wipe your nails clean with an alcohol or with hand sanitizer. You're just wanting to make sure that your nail beds are clean and that the glue can adhere to your nail. And then you want to just cut your nails themselves down if you'd like. I like to keep mine short, and then I file on top of the nail bed itself just so that it can have a little bit something rougher, and then the glue can have a better chance of sticking. So you clean it with the alcohol so that it will remove the oils and things, and then you file your nails to make them a little bit rougher. So like I said, this is the Kiss brand. These are medium nails. They're super cute. They're almond shaped. It comes with a glue. The nails, I believe it's like 28. It comes with the stickers, but so that you can do press-on nails, but I'm not going to use those today. And then it comes with an emery board and a cuticle pusher. So I'm pushing my cuticles back so that they can be even. So then that way I don't have to file the nail itself at that point too much. So I'm just kind of shaping them up here. So what I like to do is just kind of put all of the nails out and match them up to my nails. So all of the numbers, and I do take note of the numbers, and then on the little white cardboard or paper that comes in it, I just set all of them out as I go, so it helps to keep everything in order. I just match them up, and what I'm looking for are nails that are bigger essentially than my nail bed itself, because you don't want it to go smaller because they will crack, and they still cracked even though they were bigger. And one of the keys to getting them to look natural is not going over your cuticle. So you don't want to go over the cuticle. You want to be right at the cuticle. So here I'm just filing again, so that, because sometimes the oils will get back on there. So for a more customized fit, I do select a nail that is a bit larger than my nail bed, but then I go in and I file it away. So what I'm doing here is filing the nail down so that I can get the proper fit. And then you just put a little bit of glue on the nail itself, and then on your nail. And then you just push it against your nail, your cuticle. And then you want to put a generous amount of force and then wiggle around. So you want to wiggle your nail, your hand around the nail to make sure that there aren't any air pockets. And then after that, you want to kind of shape it up. Sometimes there's still a little bit of overage after the nail expands. Sometimes the nails themselves have little flat tips. So you just want to kind of shape that around too and just get the desired shape. Here I'm showing you again. It's a really simple process, but you just, kind of takes a little bit of practice just to get it right. And you want to make sure that you're not getting them crooked as well. So you kind of want to play around with the positioning before you apply the glue on there. just continue to shape until you get the desired shape. The really cool thing about getting almond nails is that you can really do like the cat nails too, because they're already in that shape. So if you can't find the cat nail, then just file it down to your desired shape that you want. And I do like to shape and file as I go, and then that way at the end I don't have as much shaping and things like that, because I do like my nails to all have a uniformed look. And like I said, sometimes because they'll take them off of the little row thing that they come on after, you know, creating them, then they will have a little sharp edge on them, and so I like to smooth that out. A tip if you get glue on your nails is that, especially with these matte ones, I'm not quite sure about the glossy ones, is that you can take this the emery board and then the buffer block and remove any of the glue, and it will come off, and you want to use the buffer block to kind of buff it back down so that there won't be any scratches on your nails. But the buffer block will smooth it out and you'll have good crystal clean nails. So now I'm just shaping them all up and smoothing them out so that the plastic won't be too sharp and poke me. And so here I'm showing the trick. I'm just putting the alcohol on that nail so that I can see if it's really clean, because with the alcohol being wet, it kind of masks it. And there you have it. They're all done. I'm showing you here how some of them did crack at the base, but I don't see that being unavoidable. But thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.